Any crack, chip, nick, or break can be patched and saved with PLEXIGEL Shaper. Perform dry prep. Shape the nail with a 240 grit file and gently remove shine from the natural nail plate. Cleanse with Scrub Fresh. Apply a patch of bonder to the crack only. Press the crack together to seal. Cure for 10 seconds using preset button 1. Brush on a thin, even layer of bonder to the entire nail, sealing the edge after application. Cure for 10 seconds in the CND LED lamp using preset button 1. Apply a layer of shaper to the entire nail. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Remove top film with a cotton pad saturated with 99% IPA. Shape and buff the nail to smooth out any surface imperfections using a 240 grit file and buffer. Remove dust with 99% IPA. Apply a second layer of shaper to perfect the shape. If needed, add a line of gel down the vertical center to add additional strength and then taper to smooth. Turn the hand over for gravity pull to fill in any low spots. Cure for 1 minute on preset button 2B. Apply a layer of protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute on preset button 3. Remove top film with 99% IPA. Apply a drop of solar oil.